Cleo, I really want my tail to look like yours. Do you think this will work?
Emma, at this point, you're just a lost cause. Nothing's gonna fix your short tail.
Hey girls.
Louis! How did you get in the house?
The door was open.
Louis, you weren't even invited.
Babe, I'm coming around or what?
Guys, there's someone scary outside of our window!
Ricky? What's up?
Cleo, I need another razor. Hey Emma, wait. Are you guys having another sleepover without me?
Hey Ricky, you bet we are.
No, we're not, Louis. Shut up.
Hey babe, look what I found for you on the beach. You like it?
I've got a special power that I'm not afraid to use. So come on, this is my adventure, and this is my fantasy. It's all about living in the ocean, being wild and free. 'Cause I'm no ordinary girl. I'm from a different underworld. Land to sea, the world's my oyster.
Emma!
Oh, shoot!
Get it together.
Land to sea, I've got the power if I just believe. 'Cause I'm no